Train steady, get stronger, and see it clearly every week. This is the workout planner. You log your sessions, and the file takes care of the rest. 1 row per set block. The muscle group, program week, and volume columns fill in by themselves. You only pick the exercise. The muscle group is looked up from your library, and the volume is worked out for you. A cardio session with no weights still counts as a workout, it just adds no volume. The program calendar builds itself from your start date, number of weeks, and weekly template. Every day compares plan against reality. A tick means you trained, an X means you missed it, and a circle is a rest day. On the right is your plan adherence, so you know at a glance whether you are keeping up. The body stats tab is logged at your own pace. Once or twice a week is plenty. As soon as you enter it, your current weight, the change, and the distance to your goal all update. The dashboard shows 5 numbers: workouts, volume lifted, frequency, duration, and adherence. Pick a month in the viewing cell, and every figure filters to that month. The muscle balance table points out which groups you are neglecting, so your training stays even. And the line at the bottom shows you getting stronger week after week. Scan the code to see more spreadsheet templates.